and came back empty to get more to carry to the meeting.
Look at those buses, friends. See how they're jammed? The transportation companies have put all available extra buses and taxis to transport this huge multitude out to this great meeting. Just the cars you see are bumper to bumper, and people walking with not enough transportation to get them to the meeting. That God is blessing to the people's hearts for salvation and healing for their bodies.
Parking space was crowded a mile from the meeting grounds. Walking the rest of the way, the crowds hurry so they won't miss a word. For at 1 p.m., over 50,000 people were already there. So why wait for time to start? Preaching and ministering from 12:30 till after 5 p.m. was not enough for these dear hungry multitudes. At 7:30 in the evening, Sister Daoud had to be pulled away from many who were still pleading for more prayer and deliverance.
Coming in the gate, they passed the Bible van, and folks were so interested to learn more. Thousands of Bibles and Gospels, New Testaments, were sold.
The things that we're going to tell you today show you God's conditions He demands